Speaking. Welcome to Lars Hotel. How may I help you?
Good morning. I would like to have a reservation. Do you have any vacancy?
Okay, ma'am. Hold on for a while. So we have room here. Deluxe queen 1 queen bed and window for only 2,000 pesos. Premium queen 1 queen bed with window for only 2,300 pesos. And for the premium queen, 2 single bed with window, 2,300 pesos. And deluxe double, 1 queen bed, 1 single bed, no window.
Okay, I would like that standard double bed.
Okay, ma'am, noted. May I know the exact date of your arrival?
The second week of May.
And how long you been staying here?
Just 2 nights.
For how many people for this reservation, ma'am?
Or just 2 of us.
May I know your phone name, ma'am?
Nori Rivas.
Can you give me your number, ma'am?
Okay, sure. SR 995-953-3081.
From the payment, what do you use, ma'am? Using card or cash?
I just have the credit card.
Cash. May I know the details, ma'am?
It's Visa. My number is 92893291.
What is the name of the card holder, ma'am?
Oh, it's me personally.
Alright, you received the standard of a premium queen with a double check with window. Good for 2 people for the second week of May. And a 2 nights and payment is type Visa 095081. Check in and check out 12 afternoon. A contact number of 0905-338-1316 under the name of Nori Ribados. Are all the details correct?
Yes, it's all correct.
Noted that your late checkout and late check-in all charges you have. Any other requests, ma'am?
No, nothing. That will be all. Thanks.
My pleasure. We're happy to see you around on May.
Good afternoon.
Can I check your luggage, ma'am?
Yes, here.
Please follow me at the front desk.
Good afternoon, ma'am. Welcome to Lars Hotel. How may I help you?
I have a reservation for tonight.
Okay, ma'am. Let me check. Oh, yes, Miss Nora Ribados. You received standard premium queen. Double bed with window for last second week of May. Is that correct, ma'am?
Yes, thank you.
Okay, please sign the speaker for your payment and other information.
Is this all?
Yes, ma'am. And your room is 207 Interior Cape Card. And this is Jerry Alonga, and we'll talk to your room. And thank you for being in Lars Hotel and enjoy your night.
Please follow me, ma'am. Okay, ma'am, your luggage is all here. If you have any problems, don't hesitate to contact us.
Stay, and how was your trip then?
I feel so relaxed and comfortable. Thanks.
Okay, ma'am, may I ask your questions for your, can you fill out this form for your about your feedback in our house? Thank you, ma'am. And God bless. Thank you for choosing Lars Hotel.
My pleasure. Thank you.
Thank you for choosing us. Have a good day.